Welcome to Agiana Steno classes. Dictation start 28. I am directed to invite a reference to Rule 7 of the Punjab Financial Rule Volume 1st, which requires heads of office to record annual certificate of verification in the service books of the non-gazetted government servants after satisfying themselves that the service of the government servant concerned are correctly recorded in each service book, and to say that at the time of verification of title of non-gazetted government servants to pension by the AG Punjab, it has inter alia to be seen that necessary certificates of annual verification of entries in service books are duly made by the head of offices. In addition, the departmental officer preparing the pension case is also required to attach with each pension case a statement of service showing interpretation, if any, and indicate therein the manner in which the entries made in the statement of service have been verified with the original records per. It has been observed by AG Punjab from pension cases in respect of service rendered by non-gazetted government servants under the formal principally states that certificates of annual verification of entries by head of offices have not been recorded in their services books. Consequently, many pension claims in respect of service rendered in formal principally states could not be finalized by AG Punjab. Absence of such certificates is attributable to the fact that in these states rules in force before the integration did not provide for such annual certificates per. In order to dispose of such pension cases expeditiously, government have decided that requires of annual verification in such cases in respect of service rendered up to August 1948, the date of merger of former princely states in PEPSU, should be dispensed with subject to the condition that the entries should have been made in service books contemporaneously and in the ordinary course of business para. Further, there are no reason to doubt the genuineness of the entries and that there is no evidence in interpolation, errors, overwritings, alteration, etc., which renders any entry suspicious or of doubtful authenticity, that the entries in service books were properly authenticated. Para. The non-gazetted service of a permanent gazetted officer should similarly be got verified and certificated by concerned audit officer before his service books is forwarded to the Accountant General Punjab as required above. This decision will be incorporated in the service rules.